Okay, we're going to be looking at extra sounds that are in Hiragana. You now know the first 46 basic characters in Hiragana. The extra sounds we're talking about are the ones, so for instance, that either have a two dots on them, a little circle. They make the extra sounds that we need for Hiragana. So for instance, you know the word Fuji. You know how to do fu. Fu looks like Mount Fuji, but Ji, how would you do Ji? There's a whole heap of other words that I can try and figure out for you, but it's best if we just go through it first. All right, basically what we've learnt now is all the lines, the K line, the S line, the T line, H lines, etc. We've gone through. Now, with certain lines, you can actually put either two dots or a little circle on it, and it gives you that extra sound. So this is something you just need to learn. K's go to G's, S's go to Z's, T's to D's, H's to B's, and H's will also go to P sound with a little circle. So it's only really the H line, if you put a little circle on it, that'll go to a P sound. But the rest is fairly simple. So again, K's to G's, S to Z's, T's to D's, H to B's, H to P's with a little circle. You can sort of learn that, come up with a little rap song, I don't know what you'd like, but again, K to the G's, S to Z's, T to D's, H to B's, H to P's. Alright, so you can look at those that way. Now we'll go through each of the lines. So for instance, I've got the K line. So the K will change to a G sound when you put the two dots on it. So ka will become ga, ki, gi, ku, gu, ke, ge, ko, go. So ga, gi, gu, ge, go. Ga, gi, gu, ge, go. The S line. Okay, so sa, with the S line, you're looking to change to a Z sound. So sa will become za. Shi will become G. It doesn't actually become the Z sound because there's no Z sounds in Japanese. It's G. So this is the Fuji, the word I mentioned before. This is the way you would write G for Fuji. So Shi becomes G. Su will become Zu. Se will become Ze. So will become Zo. So again, that Su character is like Suzuki, the car, the motorbike, or the brand of motorcycle is Suzuki. That's the way you would do the Zu. So again, za, ji, zu, ze, zo. Za, ji, zu, ze, zo. T line. Well, the T line changes to a D sound. So ta becomes da. Now chi and tsu, even though they're in this group, actually don't have their characters because their sounds are very similar to the other ones, so they just cancel themselves out. So really we're only looking at three lots of characters in this group. So ta becomes da. Te becomes de. To becomes do. So again, we've got da, de, do. Da, de, do. Right, the H line. H lines go to a B sound. So ha becomes ba. Hi becomes bi. Fu becomes bu. He, be. Ho, bo. Ba, bi, bu, be, bo. Ba, bi, bu, be, bo. H's, however, also do one extra thing. If you put a little circle with it, it becomes a P sound. So ha will become pa. Hi, pi. Fu, pu. He, pe. Ho, po. Pa, pi, pu, pe, po. Pa, pi, pu, pe, po. What I'd like you to do is actually sort of see if you can practice writing those now on the sheet that you've been provided for today. There are some extra sounds as well, which are called the combination sounds. They're also on the sheet. What you basically do with these words, so for instance, Tokyo, right? The actual kyo, how would you do the kyo? You sort of could try and really figure it out. You've got ki there, and you've also got a yo. Well, this is where combination sounds come into play. So how do I do that kyo? It all depends on one line. It's the E sounds in each of the lines. So ki, gi, shi, ji, chi, ni, hi, bi, pi, ni, and li. With these sounds, what you look to do is to either add a small ya, you, or yo. You actually write the ya, you, and yo half the size of what the normal character will be. Let's go through each of the lines. So we've got ki and gi, right? The K line, the ki, gi. You got ki with a little ya. So you can see it, it's a half size, is going to become kya, kyu, kyo. So kya, kyu, kyo. For G sounds, gya, gyu, gyo. So already you can sort of see how would I do Tokyo? It would be Tokyo. There's the kyo for it. Next line, shi and ji. Sha, shu, sho. With the G sounds, ja, ju, jo. Chi sounds, cha, chu, cho. Some of you already might know that cha is actually the word for tea. Cha. So we have cha, chu, cho. Next line, the N line, the ni character. Nya, new, nyo. So nya, new, nyo. He line, the H line. Hya, hyu, hyo. Also can do bya, bu, byo. And with the little circle, pya, pyu, pyo. So through those characters again, hya, hyu, hyo, bya, bu, byo, pya, pyu, pyo. Mi, the M line, mi, nya, mu, nyo. Again, nya, mu, nyo. The last one is the R line, the ri line. Rya, ryu, ryo. Again, rya, ryu, ryo. And what I'd like you to do with all those characters is now practice writing them. Once you practice writing them, you then also have a map that's asking you to sort of write the rewrite those place names into hiragana. That is for your lesson today.